Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super different video from what I'm usually doing on my channel. As you can see, my room's a mess, and it's because I've been low-key throwing clothes everywhere because I am going to Dubai on Sunday. Today is Thursday. I just got off work. So I was like, okay, I'm about to get my life together, clean my room, pack for my trip. You know, I might as well just turn the camera on and let you guys see. So, hey. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, it's right down there. I think either on this side or that side. I'm not really sure, you know. But yeah, without further ado, you know, hopefully I get this room looking well and I don't overpack, but let's get into this video.
My boy, don't love me like he promised.
I just wanted to cut in and say, like, this is how I pack. I'm a person that has to see things visually and I have to like set it out in its own different piles. Like with that green top and those jeans, like that's an outfit. So that's how I pack for things. I just get all the outfits together and just put them on my bed. That pile over there in the corner is like underwear and scarves and yeah. So yeah, just, you know, enjoy. Keep watching. If you guys want to see a more in-depth packing video, just let me know down below, and I'll definitely put that up for you guys. So you guys, I'm actually about done cleaning my room. The only thing I literally have to do is I'm gonna wipe everything down, and then I'm going to get to packing. I don't know how long this video has been, but depending on how long it's been, I'm gonna end it here. See, it is another day. I have on a different shirt. I'm finished with my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want a more in-depth packing video, let me know and I'll definitely post that for you guys. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And Queen Beauty out.